Hello and welcome. Today we are going to talk about manufacturing outsourcing. What is manufacturing outsourcing? The term outsourcing denotes the process of transferring manufacturing and related support functions to outside companies, whether onshore or offshore. Outsourcing manufacturing is a strategic decision and has long-term implications in any business, so it should be done cautiously. In addition to being a matter of convenience, outsourcing manufacturing is a prerequisite for survival for a number of companies, since they lack the economy that would allow them to compete with their contemporaries. These companies are termed as original equipment manufacturers, and they farm out their production needs to contract manufacturers. Let's move on to advantages of manufacturing outsourcing. Lower labor cost. Outsourcing manufacturing helps to reduce the labor costs significantly by saving on salary and hourly wages on payroll and taxes. Less stringent laws than the company's own locale may also contribute to the same, and also problems such as strikes, negotiations, etc. are avoided. Less overhead cost. Considerable reduction in overhead costs like real estate, building, maintenance, security, utilities and other operating costs is witnessed. These savings add up to a huge amount, helping the company in a major way. Increased capital and focus. These savings help the company to invest the saved capital in marketing, research and other sectors. The saved time can be invested in designing the sales and marketing strategies for the enterprise. Maintaining price levels. Reduction in expenses allows the company to maintain or lower the current price levels, which may lead to an exponential increase in sales, leading to an increase in profits. What are the disadvantages of manufacturing outsourcing? Quality issues. Since the production process is taken care of by the outsourcer, the company has no control over the quality of goods being produced. Thus, it becomes essential to keep a constant check over the manufacturer's work to ensure good quality products. Dependence. The company becomes dependent on the manufacturer for smooth functioning, and any disturbance in production may prove to be a hindrance for the company. Security. There can be conflicts of interests and issues with confidentiality, therefore agreements regarding the same must be signed beforehand to avoid such problems. Now, let's understand what are the reasons to outsource manufacturing. Firstly, labor costs. Since labor is one of the biggest expenditure area in any industry, outsourcing labor helps reduce cost, as temporary workers comparatively demand lower than more skilled full-time employees. In addition to this, the healthcare benefits and other expenses are also avoided in the former case. Secondly, overhead costs. Overhead costs like utilities, maintenance to operate production equipment and indirect labor are avoided in manufacturing outsourcing. And lastly, flexibility. Since the original equipment manufacturer can ask for and increase or decrease in the number of goods according to its ongoing requirement, it is better than making a one-time capital investment for production equipment, which may not prove to be beneficial in the long run. So to summarize, in this video we learned about manufacturing outsourcing, in which we studied about what is manufacturing outsourcing, advantages and disadvantages of manufacturing outsourcing, and reasons to outsource manufacturing. Thank you.